Hello friends, welcome to Wealth Instructor. Today we'll discuss about the best semiconductor stocks in India. India has been actively working to strengthen its semiconductor industry, recognizing the importance of semiconductors in various technological applications. The semiconductor industry is crucial for the development of the communication systems and the emerging technology like artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things. After the pandemic, the demand for the semiconductor suddenly increased, but supply constraints resulted in a global shortage. Let's take a look at the semiconductor stocks in India. The first one, SCL Tech. Founded in 1976, SCL Technology is a multinational IT and consulting company. The company has an investment of $825 million in the country for an outsourced semiconductor assembly and test plant at Gujarat. Let's check the cumulative investment. The cumulative investment amount in this project is $2.75 billion. The current market cap of SCL Tech is now at 4,12,598 crore. And the stock's 5-year CAGR is 27.21%. Next one is Vedanta Limited. It is founded in 1965. Vedanta is a global diversified natural resource company operating across segments. The company has finalized a technology partnership with Taiwanese firm Innolux and is also close to finalizing a partnership for semiconductor manufacturing. Let's see the market cap of this company. Now it stood at 93,669 crore. And what is the CAGR? CAGR 5-year CAGR, if you see, it's only 6.29%. Now next one is Tata Elxsi. It is founded in 1989 and is involved in the design and development of computer. The company operates in two segments. One is system integration and is support and software development. Let's check the market cap of Elxsi. Now the market cap of Elxsi is at 51,039 crore. The stock's 5-year CAGR is at 52.78%. Next one is Dixon Technologies. As you know, Dixon Technology is a multinational contract manufacturer of electronics like washing machine, televisions, and smartphones, etc. And it is founded in 1993 as Western Utilities Limited. The current market capitalization of Dixon Technologies is at 35,000 crore. Let's see the 5-year CAGR of Dixon. It's 67.17%. Next company is MIC Electronics. Founded in 1988, MIC Electronics is a manufacturer of electric lighting equipments. Now it's a very small company and you can see the market cap of this company. It is 994 crore. The company in my list is RIR and is founded in 1969 and the current market capitalization you can see it is 575 crore. And the stock's 5-year CAGR is 82.32%. And the next in the list is ASM Technologies. It's founded in 1992. ASM Technologies offers business and technology solutions, application maintenance, enterprise solutions, and product supports. The market capitalization of this company is now at 500 crore. It is a very small company and the 5-year CAGR, if you check, 54.44%. The last one in the list is SPL Semiconductor. It's founded in 1984. SPL Semiconductor is India's first semiconductor IC assembly and test facility provider. And the market cap of this company is 686 crore. Now let's check the CAGR. And the 5-year CAGR is 54.53%. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much for your attention.